Hello everyone and welcome back to this video, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G, which is the clear smartphone flagship killer of this year, as it has all the specs which you need from a flagship smartphone reduced down in price. And during the Black Friday sale I found it for $550 on Amazon.com. So let's get right into the unboxing of this phone. So this is the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G box, and as soon as you open it you can see that the phone is right in front of it. And also in this I have the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition cover. In the top of that there was the paperwork, and now I took out the phone from the box, and there's a screen protector already installed. So now I'd be peeling the back off, very satisfying, and then I'll be peeling the front part of the screen off, the plastic cover which came on the screen. Over here within the box there was also paperwork on the front, and below that you can see that there's a paper over there, and then below that there's some stuff too. So right now I've finished peeling the plastic which was there on the screen, and now I'm going deep down into the box. So after you remove the paper cover you can see two things: the charging cable and the charger in it. So there's a charger which has a USB-A port in it, and you can see that there's a charging cable too, which is a USB-A to USB-C cable included within the box of the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. And this is the case for the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, which comes in at around $30. Thank you for watching this video from Techjet, and a very happy Merry Christmas, and see you in the next video tomorrow. Bye.